So, life becomes peaceful, playful, blissful only when we realize what we are. Are we the stable part or the moving part? This decides the life. They are not different actually, they are one and the same, like the waves and the ocean. They are not separate. We are not separating anything here. Where we are getting identified, where is our identification? Are we identified with the moving part of it or the stable part of it? This decides a person's life. This decides almost everything. It changes everything. The Creator is a creation. They are not separate. It's like the waves is the ocean. The ocean is the future wave. There is nothing separate in that. But are we attached with the waves or with the ocean or with both? Where the attachment goes. For example, emotion. Emotion is also known as wave. That's why it comes and goes, ups and downs, isn't it? If you are attached to emotion, what will happen, you imagine? Of course, emotion is also part of the source. If you get attached to that emotion, what is the consequence for the person? That is very important. Unfortunately, most people in the world, they are all attached with the waves. When I say wave, you can understand thought, mind, body movement, emotional changes, all these things are waves. And the nature around you, they are also waves. They are outer waves. The thought and emotions are inner waves. Wave is a wave. Ego is cluster of waves. Tsunami. Bundle of waves. That's why if somebody getting attached with the ego, too much suffering. Because attached to the tsunami wave, not ordinary wave. If you are attached to the ordinary thought, you are not affected much with that. If you are attached to the ego, much more pain. Because they are also waves. Everything is wave. Everything, including the mountain, which is supposed to be look like stable, it is not stable. They are waves. Because when I say the mountain itself is a wave, our old idea, which is registered in the brain, says wave means something like a liquid or something. How a solid can be a wave? The mind is differentiating it with the old description, old definition, old explanation. Compare, when I say wave, the definition of wave, that which comes and goes, that which is undergoing certain changes constantly, periodically.